Why? No! Broke the thread again. I think I've said this already, but overlockers are amazing machines when they work properly. Mine has been a bit under the weather lately and we haven't come along that much, but today is the day. Today is the day where it has to work, please. A little background, this is one of those affordable machines they have in Lidl's from time to time, and it is a Singer model 14SH754. It was affordable and it worked fine at the beginning and then it stopped working. The problem I have with it is that the seam looks terrible. It doesn't look neat at all, and apart from that the thread keeps breaking. One of the loopers keep breaking the thread, so I spend the whole time I'm sewing with it trying to thread it again and sewing for a while, and then it breaks, and apart from that the seam looks terrible, so it's just a mess. So today is the day I'm going to sit down and try to fix it. What I'm going to do is to put it here so you can see better. Better lighting here. With the overlocker here and a pile of remnants, let's see what we can do. I really appreciate all the comments you leave, all the tips, because I've learned so much thanks to them. So if you're new around here, I recommend you subscribe, consider subscribing, because that way you don't miss anything and you learn a lot from other people's experiences. The machine is now threaded in a polyester. I was advised to do that, but I can't see much difference. Anyways, I'll sew a little bit so you can see how it does. Now it's sewing, it is sewing, but the seam looks not nice at all. Let's try again. And somehow, I don't know how this is happening, but one of the needles is losing the, yeah, it's breaking. No, it's not breaking, it's unthreading, which is different. How is this happening? This is rubbish. The minute it started sewing, it broke the thread. So let me try again. Of course, different kinds of material will need different tensions, but let's work like this. And it broke. So definitely, I'm going to thread it with the special needle, the overlocker needle, not needle, thread. So definitely, I'm going to thread it with the overlocker thread to see if that's better. No, it broke the thread again. Oh, going to try again, adjusting the tensions. What is this, a joke? It just broke it again. Why? More tension, that looks terrible, that looks so bad. And the other one, it's more tension as well. Let's just... It hasn't broken the thread again, but it looks terrible. I think it is loose, so I'm going to adjust the tensions to see what I can say, what I can do. I'm going to put the knife to work to see what happens. Not the blade, the blade. I just put the blade on. I didn't have it on. I just want to see if that helps me. These threads are working much better than the other ones, of course, because it's what people recommended me. I really appreciate it. To everyone who has spent and has wasted time giving me recommendations. And now I just have a long strip of material to see if this is okay. I have now tension 4 on the needles and 6 on the loopers. Let's put it up a little bit. Let's put it up a little bit. Well, it is sewing and it's not breaking the thread. I'm trying different tensions. Right now I'm in tension 4 for the needles and 7 for the loopers. And it seems better. So I guess it depends on the fabric now. You have to try for a while to see what works best, but it looks good. So it looks like it's sewing well now. I've tried in different materials. Now I think it will be a matter of trying different tensions depending on the fabric I'm going to use, but I even tried on this wool and it looks nice. So I have my hopes up. Let's see if with this, I can't believe it was something that simple, that changing the thread, but well, if you don't know, you don't know. It's something that happens. So let me know then in the comments what you thought and any other tips you have that are always useful to read. And don't forget to give it a like. You can't imagine how useful, how good for the channel a like is. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Consider subscribing because I upload a video once a week and that way you don't miss anything. And what else? I leave you another links for other videos so you can have another look at the sewing machine, interesting videos about what is better and what to do if you don't have one of these. Bye! Hola, 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 hola. Hola, hola, hola.